Good morning, friends.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So we'll start the session. So may I know the people who joined? Are they from BCA or from BE? Before we start the session, Kirti, Hari, Sujata, and Aishwarya. You guys are BCA guys or BE guys? Studying in BCA or BE? Hello, am I audible? I just wanted to know, are you from which college? Aishwarya, Kirti, Hari, and Sujata. Which college? It belongs to which college? You can type message also. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. So you guys are there? Aishwarya, Kirti, Hari, Sujata. Are you guys are there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you are from BE or BCA? Which college it belongs to?
BCA, sir, SS College.
Bijapur. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. I'm Satish here. I'm co-founder of PragyanAI. So this session is about how should we help you to get a good job and what you should be doing and what is this program all about. And before jumping into the session, I will just introduce myself. Like I did my master's from NIT Surathkal in computer science. And I have around 18 years of industry experience. It's like around 20 years now. So worked in big MNCs like Intel, Samsung, Philips. So and worked in India, abroad also, like in Japan and South Korea. So now I started a startup. Main intention is actually I'm from Karnataka, Bidar region. Intention is actually help the people from our state somehow to get a very well paying jobs and get the job. So that is the intention behind this. And before we proceed further, let us understand what exactly means by getting high paying jobs. So let us understand, like for example, how company thinks when you interested in high paying jobs. So why one company pays high paying salary to some person and some person they won't able to get a job also. What is the reason behind that? So it is all based on company always thinks about like if I put some person something that like around 20 lakhs. So what is the revenue I will get from that person? So if I pay some person 20 lakhs, will he help my company to get 22 lakhs in a year? Then I will be getting 2 lakhs more. If I get on person 40 lakhs, and will he help me to get more money from him? So something that like if I get a 40 lakhs and that guy is generating 60 lakhs, means like company's profited by 20 lakhs. Even though I'm paying high salary, but company is getting more profit from that person. So compared to the some other person, like if I pay very less salary, but still that guy is not able to generate any revenue, means like it is a loss to the company. So company never thinks actually how much salary I'm trying to give. So company always thinks actually, if I give this person X salary, how much he will help me, my company to grow further and generate more revenue. So that is how company thinks. So the perception is actually like company always pay 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. It is not because that they don't want to pay you more, because they don't have the confidence on your skills and something so that like you generate more revenue to them. So if you showcase that like I have a skill set, I have the knowledge, I have everything, I can help the company to go much more faster and generate more revenue, then they will be ready to give whatever the salary want. So that is the first point I wanted to explain to you, because salary is not dependent on what degree, what course you are learning. Salary is completely dependent on what skill sets you have, how much you are ready for a job. So that is what is dependent on. Let me show you one more example before I explain about my course. Like there is a student A from some top college, so only focused on the academics and not done anything live projects, or like not done any skill programs. And there is another student called something student B. He also from something like another top college, only focused on the academic score, not done anything projects, nothing like basic things. Or think about another student C, who is from normal college, but from day one, from first year or second year onwards, he started focusing on building skills, learning a lot of skills parallelly along with the academics and doing a lot of projects. So 3 to 4 years parallelly, he'll be running along with this and doing a lot of projects actually, like one project on data science, one project on Tableau, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, cloud, and something. So around 5 to 6 projects has done. So do you think whom the company will hire? The person A, person B, or person C? Any answer? Any answer? Whom the company should hire? So if I'm only interested in whether he's from good college or like top college with academics, then I would have hired the A, B, something. But my intention is not that. Company never bothers about that, correct? Company will try to hire whomever it may be, whichever the college it belongs to. Whether it is a BCA, whether it is BSA Computer Science, whether it is a BE, whether it is a CSE or AI, good college, bad college. I'm not materials. No, I'm not interested in which college you are, which degree you are learning. What I'm interested is actually how much skills he has, what all the things he has done, whether this person is ready to deliver from day one. It's like if I give a job, whether he is able to perform on the job very well or not. That is what the company looks into. So I hope you understood. So anyone not understood, like why company will hire students C? Anyone not understood? See, the intention here is actually, it is not our degree. So the thing is like, a lot of people are saying that like BCA, then MCA, then if you do more and more degree, then you will get a job. No, all those things are gone case. Like nowadays, company is not bothered about which degree, which program, which things you are there, how much academically, like 9.9.5, it doesn't matter actually. So what they think is actually whether this person has learned the skills, whether his person has done a lot of projects or not, whether this person is able to deliver from the day one. Deliver from day one is like, if I give you a software work or something, he will able to complete it or not, without having any extra training. So earlier days, they used to hire a person and then used to take 5 to 6 month training, and then they used to give the work. No, nowadays company doesn't have that much time. So what company thinks, no, so for example, if I hire a person with 3 lakhs, and if I have to train for 6 months, means I have to give the salary to that person, and also I have to give the salary for the person who is training them. So the training them, and what happens actually 6 to 8 months or 9 months, that person is not able to deliver anything. Instead of that, if I hire a person with 8 lakhs who doesn't need a training, so means like he will be delivering or like building an app within 6 months. So company A assumes that hires a person with 8 lakhs who doesn't need any training. So and I within 6 months he will be launching an app using those kind of person. And instead of another company who hires a people with like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3.6 lakhs, and he needs a training 6 months. And he has to pay salary for this guy and also salary for the trainers, and he has to give salary for something else, other person also. What happens actually 6 months, nothing is delivered. After 6 months, he start learning and then he start delivering. But what happens actually after 6 months, when he learns something, he says, sir, I am also data scientist. My friend is also data scientist. He's working in company A. I'm working in company B. Company B is giving me 3.6 lakhs. But company is giving that person is 8 lakhs. So he will quit the company. So it's like the company who hires a low skilled person who trains for 6 to 9 months, after getting trained, that person quits that company and join the big high paying salary. But the company has not got anything from that person, unnecessarily wasted the money. So that is the reason nowadays companies are not interested in hiring you, paying low salary and then get training. Only few companies are like that. Remaining all high paying companies are like Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, still they do They take you with the low salary and they'll train. But most of the companies who are paying very high salary is not interested in getting the person and then training for 6 months. Like we also hire the people, but we are not interested in training the person and then giving the job. So most of the companies are thinking that. That is the reason that most of the companies are started to find out the person who is already skilled along with the academics, because they don't have that much time to train, hiring that person and then training that person. So these are the two reasons you should be thinking about learning the skills very early. And the other reason is actually your education cost has improved, and you should be getting the high paying jobs. So the most of the things like what I wanted to showcase is actually, like, for example, if I give two smartphones like A and B, usually you will be preferring almost all advanced kind of a smartphones, not the old smartphones. So same thing with the even if I give the car or like high-end car or something. So why I'm trying to showcase that now? So you have so many skills. Like somebody says, actually, sir, learn the testing, learn the Java, learn this. It's like these are the technologies are there for old, like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, something like that. Actually, the smartphones were there from last 20 years. But earlier smartphones are like kind of old. So now when you are learning, when you are not opting the old phones, when you are opting only the new phones, in terms of skills, why you are opting the old technology, which is so many years old and so many people are there. So what happens actually, like if you learn those kind of skills, so if there is one job is there, there will be around, let me show that actually, if there is one job is there, so you will be getting around 1000 kind of CVs. So if you learn something, a new thing, if you learn some kind of a new skill sets, so like data science and AI, so the number of openings will be more and number of jobs will be less. So this is a government statistics. So in data science and AI, number of openings is like 1,40,000. Number of resources are available is only 78,000. In 2022, number of openings are 2,30,000, but number of jobs, people available looking for job is 90,000. So what that means actually, if I have one job, if I have 5 jobs, around 2 to 3 people are there only to get that job. Means like one person will be having 1 offer, 2 offer, 3 offers. So obviously because of that reason, what is happening is actually in this space, the salary is very high. Because for example, if you got 1 offer, what you will do? Sir, I have 1 offer with 4 lakhs. If you give me 5 lakhs, then I will come. Then assume that like you have second offer. Then what you will do? Sir, I have another job. 2 offers are there. One is 4 lakh, 1 5 lakhs. If you're giving 6 lakhs or 7 lakh, then it's like this is what is happening in the data science and AI. And if you learn the old skill sets, so many people are there. So if you 3 months, 4 months, kind of a process, then so many people will be there. And what happens actually, like things is like you won't be able to get high paying salary. So you will be able to get a job like 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs kind of thing. But like you won't be able, because now what happens actually, if I look for one job, job post, around 1,000 people will come. In this case, if I post one job, like number of people who are applying is less because they are not skilled in these domains. And another thing is like this number of jobs openings in this space is growing very fast. So if you see here actually, 2080, the number of openings were like 1,40,000. In 2021, it becomes 2,30,000. And like that, number of openings are growing much more faster. Like in data engineering, all those things. Like if you take about AI engineers, actually, every year 50% it is growing. Number of job openings are growing by 50%. If last year it is 100 jobs are there, this year 150. But other way around, in the other skill set, like number of openings will be growing very slowly or like not at all growing. So all this because of the data science and technology. Like I'm not going through because, so if you already attended the sessions, like I already told actually, every technology, every software, every hardware is getting changed. So in the last 10 years, if you see actually that everything is getting changed. So nobody is interested in going airport like this. People are interested in this kind of products where there is no necessary for a people. Automatically your faces get scanned and you will identify and then it enter into. So this is the AI based solutions. And if you think about this, actually drone based delivery, AI based solutions. This was old BPO, this is a new AI based solutions. So this is driverless car is this is old solution. This is AI based solution. So these are AI based solutions. This is also AI based solutions. What is happening actually? Every software, every hardware, every business is getting transformed into AI solutions. So data science and AI solutions, when they are getting transferred into data science and AI solution, what is happening? Every hardware is becoming smart hardware. Every software is becoming AI based solutions. Because of that, what is happening? Like even if you, when you're searching a Google earlier, like automatically say that like what you are trying to search. This is a AI solution. And even instead of typing, you can use the voice and say that like say search something. So this is also AI solutions. What I'm trying to say is actually every hardware, every software, every product are getting transformed into AI solution. And because of that reason, number of job openings are growing much more faster and business is growing very faster. So if you see actually the number of the growth of business, like currently it is something 20 billion market is there, means like so many revenue generated in this space, and in 2030 it is going 10 folds, means like if it is going 10 folds, means like job openings also will become 10 folds, and you have more opportunity and more job openings available. And another thing is actually, if you see here actually the statistics, so 40 it is growing 40.2%, and the salary range like 2 to 3 years within the like within. See, if you go for normal jobs, like you will be getting 3 lakhs, then it will be 4 lakhs, it will be getting 6 lakhs. So to get 20 lakhs, it will take 10 years. But in a data science and AI/ML, if you see this is statistics, 20 within 3 years or 4 years, you'll get 25 lakhs. And in 10 years, like it will be 65 lakhs actually. So it is going not only paying high salary, but the salaries are keep on increasing and at a rapid space. So not only the initial salary. So the it is going rapid space, and your skills. So you have to work for a corporate not only 1 year, 2 year. You have to work for something like around 20 to 30 years. So now think that way, that if you have to sustain in 20 to 30 years, you cannot be learning like 10 years old skill sets or like 15 years old skill like Java something. They are there from last 10 years. Like you should be learning something which will be futuristic, which will last for next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So that is the other thing you should look into. And another thing is like, if you are not learning the new things, you will be get outdated. So the skills are like if you know that like Google was not very small and adopting the new things, Yahoo was not there. So no, Yahoo was very big when Google was very small, and Yahoo is not adopted to the new things, and that is the reason Yahoo is nowhere there. So what the intention of this actually, you should be started building the skill sets from early on, which is relevant for you, which in demand, which pays very high salary things, and you will be doing not like one like so something that like only 3 months, 4 months. You should start like in first year or second year, start slowly, gradually started building honey code something like no. So you should start building that career step by step, so that what happens actually over a period of time, you should be able to get very high paying jobs with the very good careers. So thing is actually about program. So since what I said actually, we will be helping you to get to the skill set necessary to become a data scientist. So let me show that like what are the things we will be trying to show along with your degree, whether it may be BE or whether it may be BCA. And if you undergo our program, which includes the lot of curriculum, you should be able to get like salary. Like for example, without our degree, if you are getting 3 lakh salary, with our program, you will be at least able to get like our base is 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs and above kind of a salary, like double the salary what you would be supposed to get. And why we are saying that, because we will be training you around 50 plus industry demand tools, softwares or something. And we have around 100 plus companies who are hiring from us actually. You will be learning like Tableau, AWS, Spark, lot of advanced things which is in demand in the market. And companies are ready to pay very high salary. And the salary range, where you will be placed is 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs. That is a range. So we will be placing. And not only that, actually, we also help you in all these internship, in the placements, mock interviews, soft skills, and we also help you to get the job paid internship. And also like we will also help you to not only the first time, but we will be helping you throughout your career, because we are creating a community of data scientists, and we will be helping all of you people, not only the first job, like later on job also. So that is the other reason you should be thinking. And if you think about the program, if you think about our program and compare with our program with any existing program, along with your program, if you learn our program, you will be far better than any BE or CSC or AIML in the locality. So along with our program, if you learn along with the normal BCA program, if you learn the program, you will be far better compared to any of the let me show that also. So any of the existing things. So let me come back to that slide. So what I'm trying to showcase. See, you should be far better compared to the any of things. Like main reason, because that is actually you will be learning. So you will be learning lot things from the day one. So for example, this is a first year engineering students curriculum. So in the first year engineering curriculum, they are not learning anything which is useful. Like if you think about the first semester, what you will be learning. So Python you will be learning, statistics you will be learning, and mathematics for data science you will be learning. You will be learning Excel sheets. So in first semester itself, you will be far able to get a job. In the second semester, you will be learning data visualization, data science foundation, and SQL. So in the first year itself, you will be able to get a job compared to the BE students. Like usually BE students are getting database in the fifth semester. So you will be learning in the first year only. So it's like what we are trying to say is actually along with the BCA, and if you learn our program, you will be far better than any of these BE college students, and you should be able to get because of the syllabus. Like so, what you will be learning the things. So, and if you think about the second year, this is second year AI course actually. They will be learning data structure and only computer organization here. So, and in fourth semester they are learning only R program, web programming. So, if you think about our program in third semester, you will be learning Tableau, Power BI, and machine learning. It's like you learned two skill set. Even if you learn Tableau, you will be getting 5 to 6 lakh job. If you learn the Power BI, you will be getting 5 to 6 lakhs kind of job. And since you already have a data science and the business analytics, you will be anyhow getting. But still think about the second year of the BE guy. They have not learned anything which is useful for getting a job. But if you in the third semester itself, you have got so much that you should be sought after by the company. And if you think about the fourth semester, you'll be learning much more advanced machine learning. They are not learning anything. You are learning the cloud things. They are not learning. So what I'm trying to say here is actually the curriculum is such a way that you will be learning far better, or like skill sets, or like advanced tools and advanced softwares and the projects compare far better than the engineering college students. And that is the reason what we are saying is actually, even though you are BCA students, along with our program, if you learn this program actually, along with your program, you learn this program, you should be able to get a better job compared to the engineering students in the local area. That is what we are trying to promise actually. And the things what we are trying to promise actually, you should be getting equivalent or better salary compared to them. So with, even though you are paying very less program fee for BCA, with along with this program, so paying less fees, and you will be getting very good jobs actually. So that is what our intention. So how we will be learning? So you will be learning gradually, like semester 1 something, semester 2 something, semester 3 something, semester 4. It's like gradually along with your program, you will be learning like weekly 2 sessions and 1 sessions in the lab kind of things, like so 2 hours kind of a session. Along with your gradually you will be learning. So every semester is like 3 to 4 months, like you will be learning some skills. Then second semester you'll be learning some more skills. Third semester you'll be learning some more skills. It's like gradually you will be learning the skill sets which is useful for you to get a very high paying jobs. So that is how we are trying to help you to get very high paying jobs. So let me show you further here. See, this is the programs what you will be learning, and these are the tools, the soft projects you will be doing, and we also promise you to get the very high price. Like semester 1, semester 2, only 2 sessions. 2 sessions will be there, and third and fourth semester again 2 sessions, 1 lab. Fifth, sixth, like you will be having more sessions. So you will be learning CSC core foundations like data structure, algorithm, Python programming, and database, and all those things you'll be learning. Then you will be learning data science skills. Then you will be learning business analytics like Tableau and Power BI. Then you will be learning machine learning. Then you will be learning cloud computing. Then you will be learning deep learning, computer vision, NLP. It's like, so total together, like you'll be learning around 8 skill sets, around 30 30 projects, 50 industry demand tools and projects actually. And who all the people will be teaching you will be like top NIT and IIT kind of a faculties who have worked in industry for 10 to 20 years. So it is not that like normal people will be teaching you. The people who will be teaching is actually who has already developed a lot of softwares, lot of hardwares. Those are the guys will be teaching you. It's not that like the curriculum is only the good one. So not only the curriculum is good one, but the people who will be teaching you will all be is already industry veterans. So even if you look about any engineering college in nearby, you will not be getting such kind of faculties there. So the people who will be teaching you will be far better. The curriculum is far better, and the tools and the projects what you will be doing very good. And over a period of time, what you will be learning 6 kind of skill sets, and you will be doing so many internship. Internship is already included. Soft skills is already included. Means like 4 to 6 projects you will be doing. Soft skill you will be learning. Internship you will be doing, and your profile will become something like what I showed. I told you like something like this actually. The profile C kind of things. Like because of that reason, you will be able to attract a very high paying jobs. That is the objective of this program. And all of this will be at a very, very reasonable price. So what we are trying to say is actually, you will be paying very reasonable price per semester. So this is a price for the other state students, like 30,000 we'll be charging per year. But for us actually, it is a special package 15,000, but still we are discounting the people from our reason. So like we will be making actually per semester you will be paying only 75,000, and still depending on how you are there will be some few more scholarship is also there. So you can, this price can be further reduced. And what we will be doing actually, after you get a job, then we will be charging actually, instead of charging an upfront lot of fees, but we will be charging very nominal fees, and then we will be charging you after you get a job. Depending on like if you got a 5 lakhs, then 4 lakhs and 7 lakhs or something that, like depending on that we'll be charging, and that money also you'll be paying monthly in your salary. And another thing is actually, if you are not able to get a job, so whatever the money we collected, we will be refunding. Means like you got all the skill sets, all the certificates, all these internship, everything will be free. So means like nobody is giving such kind of offers to you people. So the thing is like you will be paying very nominal money, and you will be paying a lot of money after you get a job. That is the one thing. Second thing is actually, if you are not able to place you, or like if you are not able to get any job, either through college or through us or anything, if you are not able to get anything, so we'll be refunding the money what we collected. Nobody is teaching you for 2 to 3 years kind of things and giving so many certificates and then refunding the money. So that is how we are trying to do. Any questions here? I'm done. Has any questions? Any questions? Hello, you guys are there? And one more advantage for BCA students, there is no need to go for MCA, because that is not necessary. Now BCA has become 4 years, and along with this curriculum, if you if you learn this curriculum is far better than the even MCA or MTech. So there is no need to go for MCA and MTech. So you'll be saving like around 3 to 4 kind of lakh salary fees there, and you will be getting the job equivalent to MCA or MTech or better than that actually. So there is no need to spend another 2 years and wasting the money. So that is also another advantage. And nobody is saying that like I will be teaching 2 to 3 years, and if you are not able to get a job, I will be refunding. So none of the institute are saying. So what we are saying is actually you pay very nominal fees, like yearly 15,000, some discounted like 5,000, depending on your performance in the scholarship test. And that money also get refunded if you are not able to get a job. And because for us 3 years teaching you will cost You will get around 10 to 12 certificates. You will get internship certificates. You will get soft skills. You will get placed. And if you are not able to get anything, then your money will be back. So it will be completely lost for us actually. Any doubts? And for you people, there is no necessary, because wasting. See, if you opt for MCA, like colleges, obviously you will be paying per year like 2. Like University charges 2.2 lakhs actually fees, like 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. So most of the college will be charging for MCA 3 to 5 lakhs actually. That is the range. And apart from living cost, apart from lot of things will be there. So that is not at all necessary. So if you, along with your BCA, if you learn this one, you will be learning far better than MC or MTech. That is one thing. And you will be getting placed better than their salary. That is second thing. And if nothing is happened, you will get refunded back the what of the money, what we said. So any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
So you understood what is the data science, why we should be learning, what we will be teaching, and how we will be building the. See, gradually we are trying to build your profile something like this. So the profile, see, like one on skills you will be learning, one on projects you will be learning, and it also includes the internship. It also includes the projects. It also means like, so we are gradually building your profile, which is equivalent or far better than the top engineering colleges. So if you learn with us actually. So I hope you understood this. The intention is actually make sure your profile becomes strong and you get multiple offers, high paying salaries. Any doubts? Anyone interested to learn, join the session?
Yes, sir.
So who are all interested? So join, because we are starting a batch very early. So with a limited number of seats. So because we don't want to take a lot of people, because we have to, because we are promising you 100%, correct? So we have to train you more rigorously, correct? So we wanted to monitor you, how you are performing, like we have to. So very limited seats are there. So what I will be doing actually, like how should we connect actually? Like, shall I communicate to the sir, or like shall I send you a link? Or you can call me. So I will type my number, because we are starting one batch very soon with less number of seats. So you can call to this number. You can show your interest. And what we will be doing is actually, like after you join the program, we will be signing an agreement with you with the job assurance kind of agreement. And the only thing what I'm expecting from you is actually you should be attending the classes. You will be doing all these assignments. You will be doing all those internship or projects, whatever I say. So that is the only thing I'm expecting from you. Remaining is all, like if you are not able to understand my responsibility, I will teach you. See, any doubts, like, because our intention is you should learn very well. You should do those things and your profile should improve and you should get multiple jobs. And if you don't have any, if you have any doubts, any clear things, like you can bug anytime. So that is the thing. So, but if you do work hard the way what we say, you will be getting multiple jobs. That is our promise. So we will be starting very soon, and whoever wants to join, either you SMS me or I will connect with the sir, and we will be starting this batch very early. So maybe in another week actually. So we'll be starting initially for Python programming, and first few sessions, like online sessions, like few sessions will be free. You can join even without paying anything. And if you feel that like program is like you are trying to understand and you are enjoying this, you can pay and then continue. So it is not like we are not enforcing anybody. So you just enjoy, you see that like if the things are done properly, like if you are enjoying that, actually you can continue. So that free sessions we are starting from next week. I will be sending the links to you, like through sir. Anybody can join. Few sessions they can attend, like 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks they can attend the session. And then if they enjoying it, actually they can pay and continue. Because
we don't want you to commit before seeing the trial classes also. So and we'll be signing agreement, and if you are not able to place, so we'll be refunding the money. So that too after 3 years, like, so nobody will be promising such things. So okay, if you don't have any questions, then we'll end here. Thank you for your time. Any questions? Guys, any questions? Okay, so shall we end here? Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye.